I have to tell that I dislike competitions. I always disliked them, but this was the only way to assure that you could perform on stage. And before the Tchaikovsky competition, I did a number of other competitions: Queen Elizabeth, Paganini competition, Montreal competition. Altogether, I once counted, it was about 40 auditions that I did in my life. Hans Werner Henze wrote for me, and I premiered this piece at the Salzburg Festival, but this is just one of dozens of pieces that I premiered and dozens of collaborations with composers I was lucky to enter. Step by step, I learned to appreciate the substance of music and not just the virtuosity I could display. The substance of music, the message became very important to me, and therefore I was searching for contacts with composers, and I became befriended with such important personalities like Alfred Schnittke and Arvo Pärt and Sofia Gubaidulina, and this certainly helped me to understand the meaning of music, the meaning of today's music. It helped me to become what I am. It wasn't an easy decision, and I didn't want to leave, actually, Soviet Union. Even I felt all the pressure, but I lacked the sense of freedom we all lacked. But there were a number of conflicts that pushed me literally out of the Soviet Union, pushed me to the difficult decision to quit. I didn't want to emigrate. I didn't want to. I didn't want to emigrate, and I didn't want to be imprisoned in the country that had such policies. It was a search for freedom and for independency. Did I find it? Not sure.